Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, got a kind of like a ramble video going on. I just want to talk to you guys about a project I've been working on. And that project's already been going on, and I've been promoting it a lot, and I've been giving reasons why I've been promoting it a lot. And the reason behind it is, and I'll say it again, is just that this is something I'm really proud of, and I know is going to grow a lot, and I know is going to be very entertaining to a mass audience. And we're targeting a bunch of different markets with this. And what I'm talking about is my podcast. And guys, I really believe that this podcast is going to be growing a lot in the future. And right now we're seeing absolute tremendous amount of growth for the podcast. And let me just put this down right here. We're seeing so much growth on the podcast right now. And we've been doing interviews, we've been doing Clone Wars episodes, we've been doing tech videos, and you guys are receiving content so well. And so the reason I'm making this video is to say that I really hope that you guys can find value in the content we're producing over there, as well as this channel in Gaming Made Easy. But guys, I'm going to be putting the link to my podcast, first link in the description. I want you guys to go click that and subscribe. My goal is to get this channel to 1,000 subs. If you guys can help me do that, I would be so thankful, because I know that this is a project that takes a lot of effort. It's not one of these things where we just make up stuff on the fly. It all requires a lot of effort, and I've been doing it with my friends, and they're contributing to it. And we're gonna try to build it up, get better equipment, get better interviews, talk about awesome tech news. And well, Clone Wars is ending, so we're gonna have to end that series soon. But that series is awesome as well. So we're going to be doing everything in our power to make the best content for you guys as possible. So as I said, links in the description, first link down there. I want you guys to go subscribe, and I hope we can get it to 1,000 subs. I appreciate every single person that goes over there and subscribes to that channel, because it means a lot. And we're getting, and the viewer engagement is insane over there. We're getting so many views with such a little amount of subscribers. And I've already reached out to a brand to help sponsor us, and I hope you guys can help us grow over there, and just promote the content that we put out, because to me, I watch that content. I don't usually rewatch too much content on this channel, maybe like once or twice, but for that, I can go back and rewatch that content and find value in it and make it, and I can see the entertainment value there. And there's something different about doing a long form podcast that's just really fun to do. It's really fun to do interviews with other people, to just sit down and talk about discussion or topics that you want to talk about for a long time. Unlike this channel where it's just like straight to the point. Here's a problem, here's how you solve it, or here's a tech product, here's what I think about it. This, you can go into so much more detail on certain topics, and it's just a lot of fun overall. So as I said, first link in the description of this video. I want you guys to go subscribe over there and leave a comment. And guys, seriously, the last interview we put up with an actual college professor, which was nuts. It was so fun to do, and I think the final product came out amazing. It's a longer-ish podcast episode, but I think that if you stick around for it, you can find a lot of value in it, and you definitely find it entertaining at that. The dynamic we have on the podcast is insane. You don't find that too much with many podcasts, but I can say that for ours, it's definitely strong. The dynamic we have between all the hosts, it's so much fun. Does that mean I'm going to stop doing content on this channel? No, obviously. This is a main source of revenue for me, and I also love making tutorials and helping you guys out. So I'm not going to stop making content on this channel. I've been kind of slacking on Gaming Made Easy. I'm going to try to stream more over on that channel. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, share this with everyone, and just please subscribe to that channel and check out some of our episodes, because I know that you guys would like them. I'm 100% sure you guys would like them. If you're into topics, interviews, tech, I mean, most of you are. We even have an Xbox One over there. I know you guys would love it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.